Hello everybody, this is Ryan and I'm your instructor for Trends in Practice, this interim session. I'm excited to get to work with you. I want to introduce myself. Again, my name is Ryan Karjala, and currently I'm the Director of Assessments and Accountability for Emporia Public Schools. My job entails a lot of different things. It entails a lot of data analysis and data work with teachers and principals and district leaders. I also work with assessments, and another big part of my job is accreditation. I do a lot with accreditation and things like that. Again, I'm excited to be able to work with you and learn from you and share this class with you. I want to go over a few things with you as an introduction to this course. The first thing is our Blackboard site. It's up right here on the screen now. You're looking at it. And I'd like to remind you to always come here first to access the community and the Google shell. We're going to start off by going out to the shell. So as you can see on the left over here, you're going to see several things. You'll see announcements, and I won't put a lot of announcements there. I'll send a lot of emails and things like that and make posts in the community, but I won't really put a lot in here. You'll see the shell. We'll go back to that in a little bit. You'll see your community, and you'll see your grades. This is where I will put your grades in as I grade your assignments and modules. So let's start off with the course shell. Click on that, and it'll take us out here to our shell. You can see this is our shell for this class. There's several things I want to point out here. First is the assignment calendar. It'll give you the dates that everything is due, and you'll see the class starts on Monday. Your first assignment is due on Wednesday, and you can kind of go down and we'll end on January 18th. So that's important. And if you wanted to, I believe you can add this to your own calendar by clicking on Add to Google Calendar right down here in this corner. Another thing about this is the instructors. You'll see me. Here I am. This is me, my contact information. This is my office phone number. This is my email address. I'm more than happy to call me or email me. Email is probably the best. I'm pretty quick at getting back to you. The next place you need to go is your modules. So these are your modules. Like right now, we're working on module 1. So here it is, the video. And at the bottom of the video, I noticed that there are several other videos to kind of help you navigate through doing some of these tasks. Module 2 is here, and then kind of goes on down, scroll down a little bit, and you'll see the rest of them. There's 12 total. Next thing is the standards. We have our program standards right here. Okay, and then the last thing is our syllabus. Look at it right here. Anytime the pages have this button right here, you can actually expand this out to be on the whole page if you want to by clicking this button right here. Next thing I want to go over is our community. Again, it's the best to access the community by logging into Blackboard first, clicking on Google Plus Community right here. So this is our community. This is where you'll post your modules, and you can see a couple people already posted. I'll post this in just a little bit, but you can kind of see down here, down the page, here's your 12 modules. You can also access the calendar from this page by clicking on Google Calendar. I like to right click and say open a new tab, and then you'll get a new tab for the calendar. This one comes out in month view. You can change it to agenda right here, and you'll see the whole thing. You can also get to the shell by clicking on the link right here. Again, I like to right click. Because if you don't right click, it actually takes your community away. So I like to right click on it and say open a new tab, and then I'll get my community right here. So again, these is a few things about this course. If you have problems, let me know. Shoot me an email, call me up. I'm more happy to work with you. It's been nice talking to you. I look forward to working with you. Have a great day.